Welcome to ICO Investor. Today you're going to learn about the Webull platform. I'll show you a quick rundown of the website, how to sign up, how to trade, and how to download the platform to your device. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for informational and educational purposes only. Let's jump in. All right, so here is the Webull website. It's just webull.com, and you'll land on this main page. Enjoy tech, enjoy investing. You can click get started right away, but we're just going to go through this main page here. The main trading privileges of Webull is you can trade stocks, options, ETFs, and ADRs, as well as crypto. It's a very diverse platform. You can trade with different account types. So if you have an IRA or Roth IRA, you can trade using your IRA on Webull. You can also do an individual brokerage account. One great benefit of using Webull is there's extended trading hours. So you can trade after hours, after the market closes, or before the market closes and pre-market. They give you an in-depth analysis tool that you can use to trade charts. You can look at charts, do some technical analysis, and decide what kind of entries and exits you'd like to make. They give you access to their free desktop application, which I will show you later in this video. They've got great 24/7 customer support, so if you have any questions or have any problems, you can contact their customer support at any time and they'll be happy to help you. And if you'd like to sign up for Webull, I will go ahead and leave a link down in the description below. So let's go ahead and get started and sign up for the Webull platform. What you'll do is you'll come up here to the top right corner and click sign up. And that will bring you to this page here. If you have a Gmail or Google account, you can go ahead and click Google and sign up with Google. You can also sign up with a Facebook account, which is very cool. But we're going to go ahead and do it with a phone number. All right, so what you'll do is you'll click agree, and then you'll hit next. You go ahead and type in a password. And then once you've typed in those passwords, you type it in twice, you'll go ahead and click sign up. You'll then click open an account. And you'll follow the steps. You'll go through an auditing, an application approval, and then you can deposit any amount of money that you feel you'd want to trade with on the Webull platform. So let's go over and jump into the market section of Webull. So this is what the market section of Webull looks like. You can see the main indexes here. It gives you a market overview of the traditional markets. And then if you keep scrolling down, you will eventually, obviously you can see IPO offerings, IPO filled, earnings, dividend per share, best performing industries, most popular ETFs, and then you get to crypto. If you click on more on crypto, that will bring you to this page and you can go ahead and see all of the different crypto coins that they have to offer. Many different ones. They've got Polygon, Polkadot, Stellar, Moonriver, Algorand, Cardano, Decentraland, Sushi, Engine Coin, Bitcoin, of course, Ethereum, Monero, Ren. They've got a lot of different coins you can come in here and trade on. So this is the trading tab. You can see you can do limit orders, market orders, just like any other trading platform. You can search different stocks and ETFs, indexes, as well as coins. And on the left-hand side here, you can create your own watch list. You can view different stocks. You can look at different markets, screener, and there's also paper trading. So you can come practice your trading with the paper trading once you create an account with Webull. If you create your own watch list, your watch list will show up here on the left-hand side. And then, of course, you can also download their full desktop experience, which I'm going to go over with you now. So to download the Webull trading platform, you can come to the download section of the Webull website and you can download it for Windows, Mac, and Linux. You can also download it on your phone for Android, iOS, or just in browser view. And the great thing about Webull is it's zero commissions. You got lots of trading tools and in-depth analysis. And lastly, here is the Webull Twitter page. You can see they've got 109,000 followers, quite a few people following, and they've got a lot of great information and updates that you can scroll through on their Twitter page. So overall, Webull is a great platform to use, especially if you are a beginner. It's very user-friendly, and you can enjoy lots of different features. You can trade traditional markets, you can trade crypto, and they really have great technical support that if you have any questions, they're happy to help you along the way. You can download an application on your phone. You can also download it on your desktop and use their trading platform on your computer as well. They've got a great following on Twitter, and overall is just a user-friendly platform. And I will go ahead and leave a link to the Webull platform down in the description below. So thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to give us a like. Make sure to add any comments with questions that I may not have answered or covered, and subscribe to our ICO Investor channel so you can get other great content like this that will help you in your cryptocurrency journey. That's all for now. Thank you for being here.